Friends, today I will show you to make remote control device with touch switch module. In my earlier video, showed you remote control device by using 555 IC and 4017 IC. Now you can see simple way of making remote control device with the touch switch module. Here is the circuit diagram. Friends, in electronics, biasing should be perfect in order to establish proper operating conditions for the components. Friends, here in this circuit I used touch switch module 1838 with IR receiver, 2N2222 transistor, 5 volts DC relay and 1K resistance and 1 mega ohms resistance is also used. Power supply 5 volts DC has been used and IN4007 diode has been used, and this is for power supply jack, and bulb for 230 volts AC for load has been used in this. Friends, here B mode has been connected. Now you can see it's working. Friends, it works perfectly well. These 2 points has to be connected here, 3 and 5. This is 3 and this is 5 here. When the relay activates, the bulb will glow. Okay. Friends, DC voltage and AC voltage is connected. Now let us see how it operates. Now if I change the pin number 5 to 4, let us see the difference. Now friends, the pin number 4 has been changed to 5. Now I am going to switch on the device. See friends, LED is on, light is off. When light is on, LED is off. You can change the pin number 4 to 5 and 5 to 4 and change the mode. Device is working perfectly well.